Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Python, that is version 3.12.6 on Windows 10 operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how we can easily run a simple HelloWorld Python program within our Python idle shell. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you will be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always comment me on our comment sections. I'll definitely going to help you. And I am also on Instagram now, so you can also follow me over there. And if you are having any questions, so you can always ask me over there with screenshots and everything. I'm definitely going to help you. So now to install Python, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to search over here Python download and hit enter. So that's going to show you this www.python.org as a first search result. So you need to click on this download Python and it's going to redirect to the official site of Python. So this Python link, so this www.python.org/download link, I'm going to provide right in our description. So once you are here, you will see that our latest version of Python, that is version 3.12.6, is available to download. So you click on this download button and immediately you will see that it is rightly started downloading and it has rightly downloaded also. So just simply click on this open file to install our Python. So our Python installation wizard is rightly open. So let's first minimize our browser, and here you need to check this two options, that is admin privileges when installing py.exe and python.exe2 path. Alright, so after that you need to click on custom installation. So all options you need to select, so you need to keep this default and click on next. So here under advanced options you need to select this install Python 3.12 for all users and then you need to click on install. Immediately it will ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes and there you go. You can see that our setup is rightly started, right? So it will take a couple of minutes. So by the time it get installed, I'll ask you please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel. So here also regularly I'm posting lot of coding related videos. So along with our main channel Geeky Script, please do consider subscribing our Geeky Syntax channel as well. And also if you're interested, you can also subscribe our Geeky Script vlogging channel. So now let's wait for a couple of minutes. So we'll come back. And now you can clearly see that our Python setup was successful. So everything is fine now. Just simply click on close and go to search and type cmd to open our command prompt. And within our command prompt, let's just simply type Python and hit enter. So that's going to open our Python shell by showing Python 3.12.6 over here. So if you get this similar type of prompt, then all that basically means is your Python is successfully installed. So here you can do simple operations like you can print something like hello, and if you hit enter you will get the output over here. So similarly you can do the same in Python idle shell as well. So just simply click on the search and type idle. So that will show you Python idle over here. Open our Python idle shell. So our Python idle shell is rightly open, version 3.12.6. Here also you can do that same thing. So let's print hello, hit enter and you can see the output. You can also create a new file, and within that new file you can write simple program. So let's assign couple of value like a equal to 5, b equal to 2, and let's print the summation of these two number, that is a plus b, and just simply click on this file and click on save as. So let's save this file on our desktop as sum.py. So after that just simply click on save. So our file is rightly saved. If you click on run and click on run module, you will get the output 7 on our console. You can see that is properly coming from our code, right? So 5 plus 2, 7 is properly coming on our console. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Python on Windows 10 operating system. So please do consider subscribing our Geeky Script vlogging channel and Geeky Syntax channel. That will really motivate me to make this kind of videos in future. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.